Let's talk about the internet. The internet is a good resource for people and provides a lot of helpful information on a variety of topics. If you want a how-to video, it's there. You want to buy shoes or furniture or even a home, it gives you options to explore. It's a wonderful tool to help you get started. And when it comes to buying a home, you can use the internet to find available home options. You can use it to research an area. You can even use it to find estimated monthly payments. But what the internet can't do is negotiate on your behalf, think of things you haven't thought of, ask questions specific to your situation, or find creative solutions to make both parties happy. It gives good general information, but every home transaction is different. So what happens when the seller of your home decides to keep that beautiful chandelier that sold you on the house? Or when closing day rolls around, the seller never moves out? I was working with a buyer on a home transaction recently, and she had done all the research. She found a home that she loved, and she even kind of knew her mortgage payments already. She was a very astute individual, very detail-oriented, so it shocked me when at the end of the day, she told me, "I really appreciate that you caught everything that I missed." I had just gotten off the phone with her seller's agent when she said to me, "Wow, you are really good at what you do." I thought I had it covered, but you asked her questions I didn't even think of. I just never would have thought of those things. Sometimes it's nice to have a second pair of eyes. A realtor who has your back is able to explain things and share helpful tips in the moment. Home buying can be an emotional process, so it's nice sometimes to not have to worry about technical things. Whether you're buying a house or selling one, timing is everything, and you want to make sure that you give yourself the best opportunity for success. Well, I'm Jay Banks, your friendly neighborhood realtor, and I'd love to help you. Happy home selling!